know what time it is? Oh yeah, it's time to start reading pips. And today we're going to be going over how to set up a demo account. So number one, you need to make sure that you've downloaded MetaTrader 4 on your phone, and then when you go onto MetaTrader, you'll see a screen very similar to this. So on iPhone, I believe it is slightly different. In iPhone, I think it's a bottom right corner where there's a symbol. You click that. With Android, it's in the top left corner. If you click those dotted lines, the horizontal lines on the top left corner, then it will take you to the settings page. And when you're on that window, next step is to press Manage Accounts. In the top right corner, you will see there's a plus symbol. If you press that, and then you press Open a Demo Account. So at this point, you can pick any broker which you want. Brokers, cut long story short, what a broker will do is it's almost like the middleman, the person who has to authorize the transactions. Now, some brokers will allow you to trade certain pairs and some won't. For example, you might get brokers that they allow you to trade forex pairs, but they don't allow you to trade cryptocurrencies. You might find, say, brokers that allow you to trade forex pairs but do not allow you to trade commodities such as platinum, gold and silver, etc, etc. I'm just going to use a generic one which allows you to do a lot of them, which is Hugosway. So for this example, I'm going to type in Hugosway, and then you see their name pops up. So I just click on Hugosway, and then I fill in my details, and then I will press Create Account. And that's it. It's done. It will show me my login details. I can now press Done. And congratulations, that's now your demo account set up. Now, once you've set up your demo account, there's a few different windows, but firstly what you want to make sure you do is you want to add all of the currency pairs which you want to be watching, which you will potentially trade in the future. Because what you'll find is this screen at the moment, there's a limited amount. There's only about 12 of them at the moment, and in total there's 28 different pairs. So in order to add the rest of the pairs which you can't see right now, in the top right corner where it says a plus symbol, if you click that, and then again, different brokers will have different subfolders. You might have to play around with depending what folders your broker uses, but if you use Hugosway, it will look very much like this. So if I press in FX crosses, then you'll notice that's where all of the pairs are. So if I tap on AUD CAD and AUD CHF and AUD JPY, and I tap on all of these, this adds every single one of these pairs to that page which I was initially on. So let me finish that. Perfect. Now that's done, I can press back, and now you'll find that I now have all of the pairs which I could potentially want to trade. And yeah, now they're all available. So on that note, that's how to download. Once your MetaTrader 4 is downloaded, this is how to set it up and make sure that you have all of the pairs ready so that you can trade. In the next video, I will be covering how to navigate around MetaTrader 4 and making sure that you get the best use out of it. So on that note, ladies and gents, trade safe, trade smart, and please don't trade too often.